Hello, Oga. Oga, I don't know what is going on. Madam just packed her bag and left the house. Oga Chudi just jumped inside the swimming pool. I just brought him out now, and he's no longer breathing. I don't know what to do, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, my.
I have destroyed the trust by myself. I'm not worthy to stand before you. I have destroyed the trust by myself. Oh, I'm not worthy to stand before you. Become my Ramon, please forgive me. Become my Ramon, please forgive me. Become my Ramon, please forgive me.
My dear, this is not a good news at all. This is my reality. I have practically come to the end of the road. This is the end of the road for me. Hey, Chudi, why? Why? Why would you want to ruin your own brother's marriage? I mean, what is he going to gain from it? Since he had that accident, he became a sadist, always melancholic. You made a nice decision by leaving the house for them, at least for now. Not temporarily. It's permanently. I'm not going back to that house again. You know what? Your bags will remain in my car. You're going to be staying in my house for the meantime. Thank you. But you know, I was thinking of going to the village to go be with my mother. Going to the village, you said? What are you going to tell your mother that made you run out of your matrimonial home? What? Think about it.
I have destroyed the trust by myself. I'm not worthy to stand before you. I have destroyed the trust by myself. Oh, I'm not worthy to stand before you.
What am I doing here? What brought me here? Hello? Who is here? Who brought me here? Who brought me here?
she come back?
Tomorrow.
Where did she sleep?
She slept at the hospital with Uncle Jude.
I want to see my mommy. I want to see my mommy too.
You'll see her.
My dear, you can't continue like this. You're not the first person. Neither are you going to be the last person that have done such. Cheer up. After all, your husband is the cause of it all.
What are you going to tell your husband?
My husband will not even be back in the next 3 months. And you already know that all my kids are in the body school, so you have nothing to worry about.
My kids, my children, they'll be missing me by now, I know. They'll be asking after me.
Do not worry. We will go to their school and see them any day you want to see them. It is not the end of the world. Cheer up. To me, I don't even see a big deal in what you did. Relax, girl. After all, you did it for the family.
Everything I was doing for him was for his success. All I wanted for him was happiness and growth and establishment. Only for him to turn around and stab me in the back.
Nambiko, stop crying. What your brother did is abominable. It's a very grievous sin. But I don't want you to see it from that angle. I want you to see it from the angle that I'm seeing it.
Mama, what angle are you seeing it from?
Hey, I am speechless.
Can't you see that this is devil's handbook? Is it not only two of you? So Nabo. He wants you people to fight each other so that we, your parents, will die of heartbreak. But if we should pay him back for the gravity of the sin that he has committed against you, he deserves to die. But he who kills his brother has killed his own soul. Even one nanny become one.
It's a shame. A dirty story, and as such, should not be heard outside.
Yes.
If our enemy eventually hear of it, they will make jest of us. They will mock us. So, Ntumbalego, my son, Papa, you must have to forgive your brother. It is going to be very hard, but you don't have any other option. Please. You see, the reason I decided to come with you to your car is that I wouldn't want your mother to hear what I'm about to tell you now. I want to talk with you man to man. Okay, I'm listening. You see, in the olden days, when a man is unable to impregnate a wife, his nearest kinsman is called upon, paid heavily to do the job for him, on the ground that any day he tells anyone about it, he shall die. A lot of children die thinking that their supposed fathers were their real fathers. It is only a woman that can be able to tell who the real father of her child is. Think about it now. If your brother never had this accident, he would still be producing children for you, and he won't know it. How much more other people?
So what are you driving at?
Thank you. What I am driving at is that you should not start making trouble with your brother. to avoid other people hearing about it. Correct the mistake. Yes, we all make mistakes. That is why pencil have eraser. Let bygone be bygone. Oh.
I've heard you, Papa.
Okay. Thank you very much, my son. Drive safely, okay?
Thank you.
See, he's suffering from depression.
What do we do now?
Well, he'll be needing the services of a psychologist.
A psychologist?
Yes. His mind needs to be worked on. With that, we could get the claims of what we're looking for.
Open the gate.
Good afternoon.
Why are you closing the gate behind you? Won't you let me in?
Mama, I'm sorry. Will you call Madam?
Hi. Wait, I should call my daughter. I should take permission from her before coming to her house. Come on, tell me that I'm
Mama.
Open the gate now, let me enter.
Mama. I said, I'm sorry. It's like you're mistaken.
Chelo. This is the house. Open the gate.
Mama, call her on phone first.
Wait, I should call her on phone. I should call her on phone.
Yes.
Don't worry.
What is calling you?
Who knows? Maybe they have told her what happened. God, please, oh no. No, please, God. My mother will just die of heartbreak. What have I done? Pick your call. Pick the call. Pick up the call. Hello, Mama.
Uju, where are you?
Mama, please, I'll call you back. Oh, I'm busy somewhere.
I can't call you. You will call me later. Uju, I'm at your gate now. And your gate man did not let me in. He said I should call you first. Makagin is ogin name.
At my gate. Mama. She's at Sintu's place. Mama, please, I will direct you to where I am. So you can use Okada and come to meet me, yeah?
There's no need for that. Let me come pick her up.
Okay, Mama, hold on, somebody is coming to where you are now to pick you up so she can bring you to where I am. Please, don't go anywhere. Just find somewhere and wait. She's coming now. My friend. Yes. Let me get my car key, please. Yeah, please, hurry up. Please, is there any problem?
Mama, me, I don't know. One hot afternoon, Madam come back and pack her things and left.
Wait, you mean Uju is no longer living in this house?
Mama, over 4 days now. I never see them.
Okay, 4 days? Hey! What of the children?
They haven't come back from school since. Mama,
hey!
call her phone. I'm going to.
Wait! Should I go back to village or what? Hey! If you let me go me, I am ashamed of myself. Uju, you have disgraced me. You have disgraced your father's family. Hey!
I'm very sorry for disappointing you like this. It wasn't intentional. The condition was unbearable.
Miss Shonugi, which condition that will make you to sleep with your husband's brother? Eh? How old are you in this marriage? Ajuju kam na Ajugi. Or haven't you seen couples that are married for over 20 years without a child? Still they live happily. Here come Ogini.
Please, I'm very sorry. Forgive me. Please. You're all I have now. Please.
It is better for people to mock you, stay in your husband's house without a child, than saying she's sleeping with her husband's brother. It's a taboo in Igbo land. Alukobu. Abomination. Hey! How come si weje? Can you hear that calling? Eh? Hey! Let me met up here. He met up here.
Omego.
Osim no mego. Ebu chiliga kadanya. Eke chiliga oku. Okwangu jayedie. Osim no mego. Omego.
I hope all is well. How are you? Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
I have flown Chodi to Ghana to see a psychologist who would help him regain his sanity.
Hey, that's very good of you, my son. God bless you.
Amen. I have finally decided to let bygones be bygones.
You made a wise decision, my son.
Indeed, Papa. That is why I have brought back his children to stay with you both until he's stable and fit to take care of his kids himself. So I can go back, get a wife and raise my own children.
I'm begging you. If you want me to lay down,
But Mama, please, just sit, please.
I am talking your father. I am telling you now that you will do no such thing. Eh? Why will you suffer these children for sins they know nothing about? Why? Eh?
my son, nobody will tell you that these children are not your children, my son. Even if they are Chuku, these children. I want for Barakuno. I want for. Eh? Biko.
I've made up my mind, Papa. Let me get their bags from the car.
Help.
You're going to be staying with your grandparents for now.
And are you leaving us here? Daddy, I will go with you.
No, you cannot come with me.
Daddy, please. No, Daddy.
Wait. What of their education? You know the education in this place is very poor. The teachers here, they don't know anything. It's only is and was. They know. They did not go to SC. They did not go to WTC. They didn't know anything. Please, I want my children to be educated. Please, just like you. Please, my son.
Your father will take care of it.
Daddy! Daddy! I'll carry it. Take me to my mommy. Take me to my daddy. I want to go. I want to go.
Hey! Auntie Sibu. Hey, I thought one. Don't worry. Okay, I'll take you home. I'll take you. I'll take you home.
I want to go now.
I will take you. I'll take you. Pack our things now before we go. Okay? Please, my children, please. EKENE. I don't love I'll take you home. I'll take you home. I'll take you. We'll take Grandpa. Yeah? All of us will go. Yeah? Yeah? Please stop crying. Don't cry. We won't go there. We'll go to that house. All of us will go to that house. That house belongs to you people. Why shouldn't people go there? We will go. Yeah? 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 Yeah?
God, since it's your will to leave me empty-handed, let your will be done.
Thank you.
Linda.
Udeje, go
You're just shining anyhow.
What do you expect me to do now? I need to shine now.
Hey, come, let me tell you something.
You like that? Bring money, bring money.
That one is small thing now. That's not a serious issue now. That's a small thing. What will he eat? What will he cost?
Let me tell you, if you just bring 100,000 naira now, she'll be all yours.
Just
now.
Just 100,000.
Yes.
Just give me your account details. Let me make the transfer for you.
Hey, are you serious?
Give it to me.
Okay. 00 22 34 0284.
What bank is that?
First Bank, of course.
Okay. Done.
You said also.
Confirm it is done. Yeah, you hear Neri now.
Let me check.
Yeah, I hear Neri.
I've received it though.
That's it. It's left in your hands now.
You like Gute.
Why? Why?
That's why I like you so much. You there work Gute go.
Chai.
Hey.
Naso.
Gute shake go one.
Naso.
She'll be yours.
When we see
let
good
me
thing,
go and arrange her for
arrange
you.
it for me. Arrange it for me.
You know what I can do?
Why? That's why I trust you. Now. I know you. You're very good at it.
Hold on.
Get her for me.
Hold on.
Get her for me.
Odogu.
I do the same.
I will. Trust me. Trust me. I will. Hey.
No problem.
Hey.
I'm waiting.
Hey.
Ciao.
the salon. She'll be here with you.
It's okay, I'll wait, no problem, I'm waiting.
Handle her with care.
You trust
me. You know what I mean.
You know me now,
No problem. Oh, I'll see you later.
Alright, take care.
Alright. Sir, she has gone home. You did not follow her.
No, why will I go with her? Waiting for you. Come on. Come sit your ass down here. Come.
You're waiting for who? Me?
Yes?
Am I the one you're talking to?
Is there another person in this room? It's just you and me. Come sit your ass down here, please.
You're kidding me, right? You're kidding, right?
I don't understand. Come, listen, I paid heavily for this, oh.
Huh?
100,000 naira is not a child's money.
You paid for who? Me? No, I look like a call girl to you, right?
Come on. Stop that. Don't bring that with me. What's that? Come and sit down. Let me enjoy what I paid heavily for.
Paid for who?
You? My friend, will you come here?
It's like you're mad. Listen to me. You see those filthy things you call hands? If you try to lay it again on me, I will strangle you. You're mad.
Listen.
Do not mess with me. Jesus.
What is this? Listen, my money, I need my money now.
Go meet whoever you gave your money to collect it back. Listen, don't.
Hey! What? Where is it? I don't understand. Jesus, 100,000 God. What kind of life is this? In fact, where is this leader of a girl? If I get to meet her, she would pay me my money now.
Linda, please, what was the meaning of that stunt you pulled in there? What? Please, do not even act like you don't know what I'm talking about. I mean the stupid stunt you pulled in your house. And so? How dare you? Linda, no, how dare you? Wait, you want to be staying out idle in my house, eating my food, drinking my water, sleeping in my bed, watching my television. You want to live a luxury life, without contributing nothing. Let me tell you, it will not work. I mean, it won't work. So this is it. No, so this is it, right? No problem. I blame myself because I brought all this whole thing upon myself. Thank you. Pack your things and leave my house. Who cares? Look at her. She's claiming holy wager. Whereas she's cheating on her husband. Look at the idiot I'm trying to help. Just to sleep with one man and collect 100,000 and you want to come and claim holy for me. And you want to be eating my food. You are not serious. Stupid girl. Who cares?
Thank God you are back. Please, you have to see things for yourself in the village. If you can compare a contractor, life in the city and life in the village, in kitchen. Ana gwa ke man no. Ndi ba snogeli no dinabo, o malu nke ka mma. Na yego na nku na eje eba. No leba na emaka muchi. Biko me ya aka iju ugbo biko. Ana gwa ke man no. Na eni enu no, inatago. No. Ana gwa no. Ana gwa unu nwata okwu. Unu ama njitu na n'ife.
Mama, I'm tired now.
You are tired, Gini.
I'm not tired, I'm trying.
You are trying. You are trying. Because one more law or Kuma. Assuming that you are still in the city now, you just send money for me. I will look for workers and do it. Gini, do that thing very well. Go fight for the academy. People can see me. Look at it. Okay? This is a copy of no What in the village is very nice.
The next stage is what we call the acceptance stage. You see, anybody that eventually graduates to this acceptance stage will finally get out of any change that has befallen him. But the problem is that a lot of people, a lot of victims are usually unable to come out of negotiation stage. They can't forgive themselves. They keep trying to negotiate with something that has happened. Unfortunately, you cannot negotiate with the past. They keep asking themselves, why did I go out that day? Why did I even pick that call? Why did she even call me? What if somebody had stopped her from calling me? What if my car couldn't start on that very morning? Why this, why that? Negotiation. Trying to negotiate with something that is gone. Because it is gone and it is in the past, they cannot get that negotiation. They end up killing themselves because they end up in depression, committing suicide. You cannot negotiate with the past. But if you are able to graduate from that negotiation stage to acceptance stage, accepting what has already happened, knowing that there's nothing you can do about it. It has happened, it has happened. Yes, my father has died. Yes, I am not crippled. Yes, the accident happened. Yes, you accept it in your mind that it has happened. Then you can forgive yourself. Then you can forge ahead to the last stage, which is what we call the faith stage. The faith stage is all about believing in yourself, keeping hope alive, that one day, somehow, a miracle will take place. Of course, I've seen blind eyes open. I've seen the cripple walk out of wheelchairs. I've seen deaf ears open. And I've seen the dumb talk again. Believing that someday a miracle will happen and you would live your normal life again. Take your coffee.
I have destroyed the trust by myself. I'm not worthy to stand before you. I have destroyed the trust by myself. Oh, I'm not worthy to stand before you. Please forgive me.
Papa.
Chukwudinwam. Hey, Chukwudi.
Papa.
So you can walk?
Yes. Papa, it's me, it's your son.
Chukwudinwam. Oh!
Hey, Papa.
You can walk.
Yes, Papa.
To God be the glory.
To God be the glory.
Yes. Hey! Church, thank you.
You can walk.
Yes.
Mama, let me carry it for you. Let me carry it for you. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Mama, how are you?
There's no one to be blamed.
Hey, thank God. Let his name be praised. Let the name of Almighty God be praised, who remembered us in our low estate.
To him alone be all the praises for having restored our son's health. It can only be him.
Papa. Mama. My recovery will not be complete if I don't get the forgiveness of my brother. If brother too doesn't forgive me, of what use is my recovery? I need to be assured that he has forgiven me. I need to know that my brother has forgiven me.
You have nothing to worry about. He has already forgiven you. My son, he has forgiven you. Okay?
He has forgiven you. He has forgiven you. Ị ga-akọta na ọ gbagharago gị ị ga-akọta imechi ị ga-akọta ihu na ọ gbagharago gị ya agbagharago gị Chukwu agbagharago gị.
I need to confirm that myself.
Why did you bring them back here?
We have a surprise for you.
Truth. Now walk.
Yes, brother. But I am sorry. I am not worthy to be called your brother anymore. Because I have sinned against you and against God. I hurt you in so many ways that I'm not even worthy to be forgiven. Brother, all I ask for is just a second chance. Just 1 second chance. To show you how much I appreciate you as my brother, my elder brother. To show you how grateful I am for putting a meaning, making a meaning out of my life. Please, brother, I beg you, forgive me. If you don't forgive me, my life is not worth living again. Please. Please.
From the depth of my heart, Judy, I forgive you. And I take you as my brother again.
Hey. Brother.
Hey, Mama, wait, make I give you. Okay. Wait, make I give you. Okay.
I have destroyed the trust by myself. I'm not worthy to stand before you. I have destroyed the trust by myself. I'm not worthy to stand before you. Take all my remorse, forgive me. Take all my remorse, forgive me.
Where did you say you saw her?
Here.
Where? She was so
Boss, what up?
What are you doing here?
Mother is sick at home. There's no money to get her drugs. So I needed to just do this job to be able to raise some cash. Please forgive me. Please. Please, for the sake of God and for the sake of our children, forgive me, please.
You know what? We have to leave this place now. You're done with this job. Just go.
Madam, you don't go. Mama, you don't go. You don't collect the one where you don't work. Mama. Hey. You don't play with them. Boss, know what you do. Come, they carry a 4 phone. I want to go to the car. Another talk.
Honestly, I'm sorry for everything. I mean, if I'd listened to you all this while and followed you to see the doctor, all this wouldn't have happened.
Baby, you don't have to worry yourself again. It's all in the past now. I believe we've all learned our lessons. Please, just let it go.
Yeah, I will. The doctor has confirmed it's low sperm count as a result of an infection I contracted many years ago and I didn't treat properly. But he says we have commenced treatment and in no time I'll be fit again.
I hope so, baby.
Trust me. I'll give you a heart.
Can't wait.
Please forgive me, it's all my fault. Please forgive me. I'm missing your
Where is this boy? Open the gate. Yeah. Your mommy's back. Come this way. Wow.
Honey? Oh my God, she's at it! We made it!
What happened?
Always pregnant!
Are you serious? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Come. I'm taking all of you out. We are going for a huge celebration. Thank you! Finally!
Mommy, are you going to give birth to a boy or a girl?
So tell me, which one do you want?
I want a girl. I want a boy. A girl! Boy!
That's okay. That's okay right now. That's okay. You want a girl?
Yes.
And you want a boy?
Yes.
Okay. Mommy is going to give birth to twins.
Wow!
Meaning a boy and a girl. So you will have your girl and you will have your boy.
Twins?
Yes.
I can't wait,
Mom. That settles it then.
Yay!
Chief Untu, I told you congratulations. Yeah, she had twins, a boy and a girl. No, see, forget about what you will do for me. Don't worry, forget about the cow, forget about whatever you want to do for me. Don't worry, I'm fine. All right, see you soon. All right.
Come here. Oh. How are you?
We are fine.
You're all grown. Where's Daddy and Mommy?
They are inside.
Okay, good. You come and show me to where Daddy and Mommy is, okay?
Okay.
First of all, say hi to Auntie Sophia.
Good day, Auntie Sophia.
How are you?
Hi, Auntie Sophia.
How are you? How are you doing?
Fine. Thank you.
These are my little boys. Okay, just show me to where Daddy and Mommy is, okay? Let's see. So, we have decided to get married.
Wow.
I'm so happy. Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you. And that's why we came to see you.
Well, this is good news. I'm so happy that after being together for all these years, you both eventually ended up together through thick and thin. It's a thing of joy to me, and I wish you the best in your marital life.
Thank you.
Have you told Papa and Mama?
No, we haven't. We decided to come and see you first. But from here, we're driving down to the village to officially inform them.
Oh, that's amazing. Whatever be the case, let me know. We'll agree upon a date, and when it's fixed, I will take care of all the expense. Just draft the budget and send across.
Thank you so much, brother.
It's nothing.
You're my brother. Lord, for real.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my darling. Congratulations once again.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
This love is strong. The love is very tight. Wonderful, Their love is strong. Their love is tight. Wonderful, They never tread on the wrong path. They live in peace. They never tread on the wrong path. They love themselves. They never try to separate themselves. They live in peace. They love themselves very much, yo. They love themselves. They live in peace. They live in peace. They love themselves. They love themselves. This brotherly love is pure. This brotherly love is envious. They care for each other. Their bond is too tight. They can't do without each other at all. Their love and unity has no compare. Their love and unity has no comparison at all. This love is strong. The love is very tight. Wonderful, Their love is strong. Their love is tight. Wonderful, They never tread on the wrong path. They live in peace. They never tread on the wrong path. They love themselves. They never try to separate themselves. They live in peace. They love themselves very much, yo. They love themselves. They live in peace. They live in peace. They love themselves. They love themselves.